how to start DoorDash or create DoorDash account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can start DoorDash or create a DoorDash account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically start DoorDash and create a DoorDash account, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the DoorDash application that you can find here. Once you launch the DoorDash app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Now what you want to do is you can choose to continue with email, Google, Facebook, or Apple. If you want to create an independent email address not connected to either of these, you can tap on continue with email instead, and then make sure to select your required login details that you want to use, and then you can also create your password from here, then tap on continue button as well. But the easier option I would recommend is just like I do, you can also choose to continue with Google for easier access also next time whenever you want to log in, and then you'll be able to finish those processes. This way you can go ahead and then basically create or start DoorDash account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.